I'm Laurie Badzik. I serve as the Dean of the Ross and Carol Neese College of Nursing. It's with great pleasure that we gather here today to celebrate the groundbreaking occasion. The renovation of this building represents not only a physical transformation, but a reaffirmation of our dedication to providing state-of-the-art facilities for our students and faculty.
We are here today to celebrate the launching of a building renovation and expansion that is important to the future of nursing at Penn State, and thanks to philanthropists who appreciate the important role nurses play in our healthcare environment today. Philanthropic support has also enabled Penn State to expand access to education through scholarships and financial aid, ensuring that talented students from diverse backgrounds have the opportunity to pursue their academic aspirations regardless of financial circumstances.
The Nursing Sciences Building expansion will bolster our teaching capabilities, and as an educator, I am privileged to use this space as we prepare the next generation of nurse leaders.
We're here today to start a journey to open up this building and to bring in natural light, which will illuminate the interior spaces as we open up those walls and contextually marry this building with what really is a lovely and beautiful campus.
So if you will all join me with your hard hats, we are ready to break ground.